Good evening, YouTubers. This is my first video ever, so please bear that in mind. The reason I started this is I created a product called SmartBridge. What you see in front of you is a version of Cubase that I use as my DAW. And I also have a Tyrus 5 and a Motif Rack XS. So my product called SmartBridge is supposed to be in the middle between those two and help me with stuff that I find are tedious and don't work in the current product. First of all, I have a Tyrus mixer built into the plugin, meaning that I can work with all of the parameters of the Tyrus. I also have the same thing with the mixer of the Motif at the same time. The other thing I have is something we call Jam Player. Jam Player is a place where you can actually audition and then record different chord progressions using the styles. So I have a couple of categories that map the typical Tyrus categories of songs. For instance, a dance one, and then I have an actual dance progression. So what I've done is I've used an open source database with chord progressions, and I've made them and adjust them so they work with the styles of Tyrus. And I have the same thing when it comes to Motif. Similar thing, and instead of that using style, it uses the arpeggios for that. And lastly, I have something called the jam session. Now in jam session is where you create your own progressions, pretty much like chord looper. So that's it. That was a very short introduction of SmartBridge and the different tabs. In the next videos, I will show how I use all of this stuff. Thank you.